Good evening, ma'am. I'm Onela Bimbalino from 3CRI A1 My presentation for today is arson. And here is the two objectives. Define arson and explain fire triangle. And the table of content, describe the nature of arson as a crime, describe the motives, reason for arson, and explain how these motives were used in criminal investigation. Describe and explain the fire triangle and its components. Describe the procedure for the collection of arson evidence, and describe the two elements of alleged arson in prosecution. Arson for profit. It includes arson committed with the expectation of obtaining a gain from the perpetrator, arsonist. And arson for revenge, yun po yung pagkaka-revenge sa mga tao, yung pagkakasunog, and arson for spite. Yun is also known na arson for revenge. Yun nga po, sabi ko, arson for revenge. Yun yung this type of arsonist wants to take revenge against a person, a group of person, an organization or institution, or organized society in general. And arson for excitement, yun po, is committed by people who are bored or in need attention of or sexually stimulated by the crime of arson. And arson for crime concealment is performed when criminal tries to hide another crime. And the arson for vandalism, yun po yung typically performed by young criminals by juvenile fire setters for no apparent reason. And describe the nature of arson as a crime. Yun po yan po yung mga nangyayari na arson, yung mga pagsusunog sa mga kagubatan, magtapon lang po ng mga, magsisindi ng mga pospro po, mga ganun po. Kaya po sila nila yung pinaka-nature. And describe and explain fire triangle and its component. The first element is fire. The triangle is heat, which is perhaps the most essential for fire elements. And sa may fire, naman po yung fire triangle, yan po yung one of the first thing firefighter to extinguish is a fire to apply a cooling agent, usually water. And in the second element is the fire triangle is fuel. A fire needs a fuel for source is into burn, the fuel storage, and can be anything is flammable such as wood, paper, fabric, or chemicals. And the third triangle is oxygen. Ano nga po ba yung ng oxygen na yan? Ang sabi po dito, sabi nga po dito, the oxygen which is also an essential component of fire. At sabi po dito, a decrease in the concentration of oxygen retards to combustion process in large fire where firefighters are called in. And decreasing the amount of oxygen is not usually an option because there is no effective way to make that happen in the extended area. Yan po yung fire triangle and its component. And the last, describe the procedure for the collection of arson evidence. Yung sa naman po yung burn pattern, yun po yung multiple origins or usual origin location. And yung presence or absence and or condition of ignition of key and ignition lock condition. And yung evident, yung acceleration is unexpected location. And yung missing accessories component of person of property. And components that have been tempered with the evidence of force to entry. And yung physical damage or abused vehicle. And the last is describe the two elements of alleged arson in prosecution. Yun po yung that the fire was caused by willful criminal act of some person, and the last is identity of responsible of dependent as one the responsible for the fire. But of these elements may be established by direct or positive or by circumstance, evidence or but. At yun lamang po at maraming salamat.